yeah, haha, oh yeah, The Flash. Yo, what up, y'all? Check it out. You know what it is, the news break with your boy Late Ill Kid at One Youngster doing it up. Right now, kind of rolling through, gotta drop something from THR, man. Check it. Look, they said that right now, WB has a brand new director for the Flash movie, which is Rick Famuyiwa, and they're calling him a newbie, but this dude has been deep in the game. Now, if you don't know his name, you might know his film. He came out with a little film that you might know called Dope. Now, if you haven't seen Dope, yo, you need to see that joint. But check it, he has some other credits as well that I think y'all might want to know about. Dude did a movie that is so near and dear to my heart called Brown Sugar. And he also did a film, this romantic joint called Our Family Wedding, which was really dope too. But Brown Sugar and Dope are two standout films that this dude did that are going to be amazing. Now, as far as him being the new director, they're still going to keep, Seth Graham, I believe, like Seth Graham Smith. They're going to keep the script, or at least parts of the script that he already wrote. But they're going to be moving forward with his brand new director. Now, as far as what I've seen from this guy that already covered like the comedy genre, he's already covered like romantic comedy, he's already covered kind of like coming to age films. I think this dude has a range to be able to handle kind of whatever Warner Brothers can throw at him as far as this film is concerned. And I'm pretty excited to see, a young brother get his, come up in the game as far as how should you say, big budget picture is concerned. I think if you can tell a good story, aka Brown Sugar, aka Dope, aka Our Family Wedding, then you can tell a good story no matter how much money is involved. So one, I'd like to say, congratulations to Rick Famuyiwa for doing his thing and also locking this down, and also that I cannot wait to see The Flash. I know The Flash, there are some conflicting, feelings about The Flash and BVS, but I'm excited to see what Ezra Miller does as the Flash in this new movie. Of course, the TV Flash is my Flash, so he does have a lot of work set ahead of him as far as making me think that he's the guy to believe in. But, I'm going to be there, I'm going to be ready, raring to go to check it out and see my man Rick's work, man. I'm pretty hyped. So, of course, until next time, this has been the News Break. Peace.